Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make water jelly, only ways. Start by choosing agar for vegan jelly or gelatin for traditional texture, and weigh ingredients precisely. Dissolve the gelling agent in hot water, add simple flavor if desired, pour into a shallow dish for faster setting, then refrigerate until firm. Use a spatula to test wobble and store covered to prevent drying and odors in the fridge. Gather agar or gelatin, clean water, and optional sweetener or light juice for flavor. Measure precisely with a scale for repeatable results and warm water to help dissolution. If using agar, bloom it briefly in cold water first, then heat. If using gelatin, bloom in cold water and melt gently. Keep flavors subtle so the delicate texture of water jelly remains the star of the dish. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to keep these recipes coming. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs humorously with saving on kitchen gadgets when you master simple recipes. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so take a look there if you want to explore. Now let's get back to the video. Bloom your chosen gelling agent briefly in cold water, then warm the mixture while stirring until completely dissolved and smooth. Avoid vigorous boiling, which can affect clarity and texture. Simmer gently and add flavorings or color near the end. Pour into a shallow tray or molds for even cooling, cover to prevent skin formation, and refrigerate until it holds a clean, jiggly structure ready for serving or cutting into shapes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.